One artist, 64 yoginis, years of obsession. I'm here in Mumbai walking through this exhibition with Dr. Beena Unnikrishnan. I'm super excited to meet you, Dr. Beena. So, Dr. Beena, can you tell us why yoginis?
Yeah, the reason is there are 64 forms of or 64 expressions of Mahatripura Sundari. And I felt very connected because they were talking about more about feminine energy, which I could relate to. Actually, my journey was to paint her. So after painting 64 yoginis, the last painting was her or Mahamaya. So I took 11 days fast, like a Maunam. And I didn't meet anybody, no internet, no talking. That's why Maunam it is, and I locked up myself for 11 days.
I think I loved one painting over here. Could you please explain the yogini of the power of adaptivity?
Yogini Appa is like, I'll say, goddesses of water. I can talk about. It's about the power, the real power of a woman. And I feel of adaptability means like you pour into a cup, she takes the form of a cup. You pour into a bottle. She is powerful in a drop. She is powerful as an ocean. She is powerful as a river. So I feel it's a real character. People ask how women can take different responsibilities.
Beautiful.
So I feel they can just fix up to a space where they are accepted, but equally powerful.
I saw the Kali as well, it is fierce, but at the same time, while I'm seeing the painting, there's some kind of calmness. It's very beautiful, very pleasing to, see the painting.
I feel while painting itself, because there are all ferocious goddesses like Narasimhi, Charchiga, Bhadragali, Chandiga, Chamunda. They're all, ferocious names which we across. I always look them with lots of love. I think that is what it is reflecting.
Wonderful. It comes across your personality as well. You're such a loving person. That is why even the fierce goddess is not so fierce in your paintings over here. So to all the people, who are seeing this exhibition, I believe is happening all across India in different cities.
Yeah, we started in Kerala. The January 15th we started.
Okay.
We have finished 3 cities and this is the 4th city, Mumbai.
Okay.
Now we are going to another, well, it's total 16 cities. Totally 16 states.
Okay. So south to north, I think everything Dr. Beena is covering so that no one is missing out on this exhibition. So wherever you are, please come and experience. It's something that one can only feel and soak in. It's as divine as, going to a temple. That is a feeling exactly I got when I set my foot over here in this exhibition. Thank you so much, Dr. Beena, once again for having me here today.
Thank you.